Hi guys, everyone, welcome to Trains on Tuesday, 18th of June, halfway through the year. Wow, where does time go? Bit of a rough one this week. This summer we're having a contractor in, a builder. He's going to give us a new bathroom. That'll be nice. But in order to do that, he's got to get up there to do some plumbing work. So that means quite a bit of the layout's got to come apart. So that's what we're going to look at this week. We're going to start tearing this down. It's not all bad though. Everything that I have to take down is temporary anyway, or lift out sections, such as this. This was always designed to lift off, as was this over here. So, here we go. We're going to tear her apart. Let's get at her. One more thing before we actually delve into it. I'm going to walk you around and show you the scope of the work. So hold tight, here we go. So as mentioned, all of this bench work has to go. Everything underneath it has to go. I'm going to be removing that door so that the plumber's got access both sides, because some of the plumbing is on one side and some is on the other. Everything in that back corner is going to have to go. I'm going to be taking this off. Everything over here is going to go. All of this. All of that over there, right over as far as the oil refinery, is going to have to go. Right here where I have the duct under, my access to the layout, that's got to go. The plumber's got to be able to walk through there without ducking down underneath. I'm way down over there. Well, let's head over there and see. So way down here underneath the bench work is where the water shutoff is. Somewhere there. And the plumber's going to need access to that too. So I've got to clear all of that stuff out. Here we go then. Now one of the reasons this doesn't upset me to have to tear all this down is because all of this was put together temporary, just seeing if it works. So here's a piece of track work in the back, and I'm just going to show you. It's not fitted down. Nothing's fitted down. This is all just sitting here on old cassette tapes. So about 5 years ago I put this in here, or more maybe, just to see if it would work, and it has worked so well that I've just carried on with it while I've been working, you know, finishing up other areas of the layout, albeit slowly. So it doesn't really upset me that this is all coming out, and it can all go back again, and hopefully next time I put it back it will be permanently done. No more cassette boxes. Well, there we have it. The plumber can get at his piping now and his water shut off. It took, in reality, just a little over 3 hours. That's a testament to the fact that it's all just laying here. Nothing is fitted down. It's sitting on loose blocks. None of this is fitted down. Can't lift that one too much right now and knock over my coffee. Let's take a little look around at it. So this is where the turntable was, and the storage yard, which is now laying under there. My industrial area, my tunnel, all back there. The duck under is now a walk-through. Took that piece out, everything in there with the track coming across from here all the way across and connecting up over here. That was all just sitting on loose stuff. And where did it all go? Well, it's all down here. Tons and tons and tons of stuff. It's going to take me longer to put it back together. Got lots of plans. This table didn't get built quite wide enough for the way the track worked out. I'm going to add another 3 inches or so here so that I can space these tracks a little better and not have this one quite so close to the edge. So, as a result of all this work, that should get done quite quick. Down there is the water shut off and the meter. So anyway, that's it for this Trains on Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed that. I did. We'll see you again next week for yet another Trains on Tuesday. Bye for now, everyone.